18 Penn State fraternity members charged in the death of a student pledge are free on bail. 8 Beta Theta Pi members made their first court appearance yesterday. 10 others went before a judge last Friday. The death of 19-year-old Timothy Piazza during a night of alleged hazing has cast a harsh light on fraternity rituals. Jericka Duncan is outside the courthouse in Bellefonte, Pennsylvania. Jericka, good morning.
Good morning. Those fraternity brothers didn't have much to say as they rushed in and out of the courthouse yesterday. While inside the courtroom, a judge explained to them the charges they're facing, asked them if they had any questions, and then set bail.
Any regrets about what happened that night?
Is there anything you'd like to say?
Right now.
While none of the defendants spoke, one attorney did.
It's a very, very troubling and tragic and sad case. We take it very, very seriously.
District Attorney Stacey Parks Miller charged a total of 18 Penn State University students with crimes ranging from hazing to aggravated assault.
The whole thing is disturbing, frankly. It is the failure to get help when he's injured, and it is the self-serving nature of the evidence that's in the grand jury transcripts.
According to the grand jury report, Piazza died from traumatic brain injuries following a hazing ritual that included heavy drinking at the Beta Theta Pi frat house in February. The report says Piazza fell down a flight of stairs and went in and out of consciousness over a period of hours. His fraternity brothers allegedly waited until the next morning to call 911. Surveillance cameras throughout the frat house captured much of what happened that night.
The video is a central piece of evidence in this case. It's literally a playbook of the crime.
Parks Miller says in many ways that video brings to light a long-standing culture of hazing. According to a 2013 Bloomberg News report, there were more than 60 deaths in an 8-year span involving fraternities.
I saw death imminent.
James Vivenzio is a former Penn State student who claims he experienced hazing at the hands of a different fraternity, Kappa Delta Rho. He filed a lawsuit in 2015 after he said Penn State officials ignored his complaints. In response to Mr. Vivenzio's lawsuit, the university said a judge has already dismissed this case but allowed one claim to be refiled. We are hopeful that the claim will be dismissed again.
Truly needs to be stopped before more people fall victim and, lose the rest of their lives to a 3-letter organization.
The university suspended Kappa Delta Rho until 2018. The national fraternity expelled nearly 36 of those Penn State members. As for the fraternity brothers involved in the Timothy Piazza case, well, they are expected back here in court next week for a preliminary hearing. Gayle?
Can't stop thinking about the Piazza family. So disturbing and heartbreaking and unnecessary. Thank you, Jericka, very much.